Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on traffic police. The traffic police are people who help make the roads safe for everyone. They wear special uniforms and hats to make them easy to recognize. They use hand signals and whistles to control the flow of traffic. They stop cars and make sure drivers follow the rules of the road. They help pedestrians cross the street safely. They use radar guns to catch drivers who are going too fast. They can give tickets or fines to people who break the law. They work in all kinds of weather, even when it's raining or snowing. They are important because they prevent accidents and keep people safe. We should always listen to and respect traffic police officers. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.